Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy, and I thought I would just share some of the things that we saw at the recent market in Dallas. Of course, the color of the year this year from Pantone is classic blue, and we saw blues in all shades. Classic blue is kind of a medium to dark blue, but we saw everything from pastels to navy to bright blues to, subtle, just blues in any shade. Black and white was present. I think we probably saw more black and white than we did red and black, but still saw a good bit of buffalo check and black and white incorporated into other products. Emerald green was a color that seemed to stand out at market. We saw it in several different shades, just a lot of green, whether it be natural greens or not a lot of lime green, it seemed like. It was more dark greens, but emerald green ornaments and ribbons incorporated into different kinds of Christmas decorations combined with gold and silver and white. Mint was another shade of green that we saw quite a bit of, especially in the sweets category, but we also saw it in other products. We saw a good bit of bright multicolor ornaments, all kinds of blues and even some orange mixed in. Of course, these range from brights to pastels. Of course, naturals are always popular. This is one of my favorite collections, but it's a lot of just fresh green, fresh red, snowy. It just, light and airy, lots of pine cones, wood pieces, not so much of the lodge or cabin look, but more of just natural freshness. Of course, you can incorporate, farmhouse style into this, and a lot of people say that the farmhouse style is over with, but it just all depends on what you think of when you think of a farmhouse. To me, it's not just red check ribbon and apples and things like that, or retro items. It's more of a fresh, airy, light look, minimal, uncluttered look. Now that's what it means to me, so I still like farmhouse. Nutcrackers seem to be big this year. Of course, that's your red, blue, green, and gold. But we saw them in most every showroom. So if you've got a nutcracker collection, you want to hang on to it. We usually see a lot of pastels in the spring line, especially around Easter, but we saw some for Christmas this year, especially in the sweet treats and candy type category. So that's one thing to keep in mind, when Easter's over and you see all the things that are on sale for Easter, keep in mind that there may be something that you can use for a pastel Christmas. Well, and speaking of sweets, of course you still see your gingerbread, peppermints, items with candy sprinkles. Peppermint just seems to never go out of style, so you see a lot of that, a lot of baked type ornaments, that are fake cookies and things like that, just sweet stuff. We noticed a lot of vintage or nostalgic type ornaments. Now, that particular tree, these were all like glass crystal beads and icicles, but it was reminiscent of the way that we used to hang icicles on a Christmas tree many years ago. So there was a lot of retro look, nostalgic ornaments and beads and garlands that were just swagged across trees and arrangements. We noticed several types of wooden beads, and they were like combinations of different colors or naturals, and you just saw them in spots here and there. Well, I hope that gives you just a little peek of what we saw at the markets for this year. Of course, you never know. These are products that the designers and manufacturers have created. We won't really know what's trending until you, the customer, start buying. So just keep in mind that most anything goes this year. I would not say that there was anything that was just absolutely out. It was just, a wide variety of just most anything that you would like to decorate with. We did still see lots of elves, probably not as many elves as we've seen, from several years back, lots of gnomes. And one thing that I did see that I didn't particularly take any images of was like ball cluster garlands, just clusters of multicolored balls that we just use as big garlands and wrap through trees or on mantles. Some of them would be like all gold balls or all gold silver or a mix, but there just seem to be a lot of that this year. Well, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. I hope you'll visit us at trendytree.com and let us help you with your Christmas decorations. Thanks.